Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to fix solar panel for charging a two-wheeler. Okay, here I am using three solar panels. This is the specification of the panel. The voltage is around 17 volts. Maximum output will be around 22 voltage. The watts of this panel is 25 watts. I am using three panels here for the replacement of this electric charger. This electric charger is around 48 volts, 2.7 amps. These three panels are connected in series. Each panel will be delivering 22 volts in the maximum sunlight. So approximately we will be getting 66 voltage from all the three panels. I am using a potentiometer here, variable resistor, to reduce the voltage. The output I need is 55 volt here. You can see the panel. I am going to fix the panel. Let's go for testing. The solar panel is fixed here. I have fixed this to a solar geyser frame. There was some space left in this. So to connect these panels, I have made a triangle frame. It is visible, I guess. In the two sides, I have connected this triangle frame. So horizontally, to connect all these three panels, I am using one square pipe, half an inch aluminium pipe. The doors are fixed to the panel, so the water will not enter inside during the rain and it will not short the panels. You can see the horizontal pipe also, which is connected to hold the panels, all the three panels. So this is the charge controller I will be using. The charge controller is 48 volts and 20 amperes. My two-wheeler is having a battery of 12 volt 20 amperes. So 4 batteries are there. It is connected in series. So it becomes 48 volt 20 amperes. Now let me check the voltage generated from this panel. This will be connected to the controller here, PV plus and PV minus. B plus and B minus are for batteries. I'll explain about this charger after testing the voltage. So here we are testing the voltage of the panel. It is generating around 62.6 volts. The time is now 5 p.m. With low sunlight it is generating 62.6 volt, which should be sufficient to charge our two-wheeler. I will be connecting these wires to the charge controller. Then from the battery we will be connecting it to a 15 amps socket box, 3-in-1 box. Then we can charge the two-wheeler. So here are the materials and the installation cost. Solar panel, I have used 3 panels. Each panel costed 1500 rupees into 3, so it is 4500 rupees. Panel frame The triangle frame costed me 450 rupees for two quantities, two numbers. Panel installation, electrician charged 300 rupees. 1.5 square mm wire, 10 meters I have used. It costed 20 rupees per meter, so it is 200 rupees. 2.5 square mm wire, 10 meters I have used. The cost is 25 rupees per meter, so it is 250 rupees. Charge controller, it is 2500 rupees. Electrical socket box, actually I have used one 3-pin socket, it is only 30 rupees. You can use either 3-in-1, it comes with an indicator, or 5-in-1 which has a fuse also. Panel wire, additional wire for internal connectivity. Digital voltmeter, this is optional. Both panel wire and digital voltmeter, it is optional, so you can less this to you can reduce 500 rupees. So the total cost came around 9000 rupees for me. So when we less this, it will be 8500. For installation also, if you are preferring to install it by yourself, you can reduce the installation cost also. So hardly it comes around 8000 rupees for the complete setup. Once we have completed this, we can charge the electric two-wheeler for free of cost, and we are supporting the nature also by using this. Now we have connected the charger wire to the vehicle, and it has started charging also. When the sunlight is bright, it starts charging. When it becomes dark, this green light will stop glowing, so that will be the indication. So in this charger there are 4 options. One is boost charge, trickle charge, low battery, REV bat. This is indication of battery failure. So now it is charging in regular mode. When the battery gets fully charged, here it will start switching between the trickle charge and the boost charge. So at that time the battery will be in equalization state. So the equalization process starts. So now the sunlight has become little less. So the green light is not blinking now. Again it has started. So when the battery is less, this low battery will be indicated in red color. When there is a battery failure, this light glows. This charge controller is very safe and it is user friendly also. This charge controller supports 48 volt 20 amperes. So the maximum amperes can be drawn is 28 from this. Thank you friends, subscribe for more videos.